What are the new features that your product innovation has? We have developed an automatic system of beneficial insects through drones. So this allows us to distribute these predator insects that don't damage agriculture, which eat insects that do. And it's not invasive, and it doesn't impact the environment in the way we do it. Did you use universities, research centers to develop your product, or did you just do it in-house? The development part was done completely in-house with our mechanical and software qualities. But it was fundamental to collaborate like Coppers Italia, which gave us the useful insects. I mean, this is an agriculture sustainable company that helped us in developing this drone. What is your reference market? Now, the reference market, of course, is operators that thus far gave services in a traditional way, with developing or spreading agricultural products and agents, but now distributing more beneficial ways of helping agriculture. Now, what about communication? What are the good strategies? In 2022, we're going to present our innovations, and also we're going to try and get the advantages known of using drones in this sector, like agriculture, which is a traditional sector, but needs this sort of innovation. What are the innovation frontiers? Well, the idea is that we have these drones, which are complex, if you like, but which are simple to use and will give good results. This will allow technologies like drone to increasingly be used in the agricultural sector.